Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some designer secrets that make your home feel calm. I love walking into a space and feeling that sense of relaxation and peace and overall calmness, and a lot of that comes down to small design decisions that will give you that result. So if you're looking to create a calm environment in your home, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank you to Skylight for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. One of the most effective ways of creating a calm home is through sound reduction. A quiet home is a calm home, and you can create sound reduction through many different design decisions. One very effective way is through solid core doors, especially in bathrooms and bedrooms. It really keeps that sound in those spaces instead of bouncing around your home. Another very easy way is just by putting felt pads underneath your furniture, especially dining room chairs or anything that would be moving around your home. This will instantly create a quiet environment as you use all of your furniture around your space. Another must-have is soft close hinges on your cabinets in bathrooms and kitchens. By eliminating that slamming door, you're instantly creating a calmer environment, especially when you're moving quickly throughout a space. These are definitely must-have design decisions that are going to give you that peaceful home. Now, closed storage versus open storage is always going to give you a more calming feeling. Being able to shut the doors to cabinetry around your home and not see the mess will instantly give you a peaceful feeling. You can also do this with glass cabinetry. If you're finding that your glass cabinetry looks too busy, you can add an interior curtain on the inside. It will add a bit of texture, a bit of pattern and color, but it will also hide away any kind of mess. It's a great way of creating that closed cabinetry look with your existing glass cabinets. Now, visual home organization is always going to be the thing that makes your home feel calm. Opening drawers and cupboards and closets and seeing organization is just going to give you that sense of peace. Knowing where everything is, it all looks great to your eye, it creates instant calmness. But another thing that creates a calm feeling is the behind the scenes organization of your home and life. And I do all of this with my Skylight calendar. This has been especially useful since having our son, since all of our time needs to be very organized. My husband syncs his schedule, I sync mine, and we've also added in our son's schedule that includes doctor's appointments and anywhere he needs to be. So I like to keep our Skylight calendar out here in the laundry room and mudroom because this is a very high traffic area of our home. We come and go from this space all the time. So having our all-in-one family info hub out here on display is perfect. It has all of our plans, chores, tasks, and more. It is the best organization system for our home. Love being able to go into the full calendar mode and seeing our whole month planned out. Everything is color coordinated. I like that it even creates a half and half color system for events that are shared. So if Christian and I are doing things together, they are half pink, half blue. So you can add events directly on your Skylight calendar here, or you can add them directly on the Skylight calendar app. This is so good because you can be on the go at the grocery store, out and about, and add all of the events into the calendar. They'll show up automatically on your calendar at home. So I like being able to have both. So this is a busy month with visitors, with work, construction, appointments. So this really helps us share the mental load as a family so that everyone has access to the calendar, can add to it, can edit it, and really get a sense of what's happening in our home. I also have Rowan's entire schedule on here for feeding and nap time, so we can see that the morning is fully complete. You can check everything off, and now we're into the afternoon. I like being able to check things off on a list, so the list feature is very useful. We have a grocery list going. We can just continue to add to it. Also a to-do list, so you can just click everything off, it checks it off, crosses it off the list, and then it's out of sight, out of mind, and it makes the house feel so much more calm knowing that we're getting all of our tasks done. I've also been loving the photos feature, so you can add your own photos into your Skylight calendar from your phone and have them displayed as a screensaver so they can rotate between all your favorite photos, and it adds a really nice personal touch into your home. So you guys can save $30 on either the 15-inch calendar or the 27-inch calendar max using my code Kristen30. I'll have the link down below in the description box so you guys can get organized as well. Now, dimming the lights around your home will always create a calm feeling, especially for the evening. Being able to turn those bright lights down a bit in the evening will create an instant sense of peace and relaxation. So I highly recommend putting your major light fixtures on a dimmer and getting dimmable lamps. This one feature takes your home from feeling very basic to customized and really gives you that comfortable feel. So I highly recommend putting your recessed lights, pendant lights, chandeliers, bedroom lights, and lamps on dimmers for a really peaceful feeling. Now, when it comes to decorating, I highly recommend creating a soft transition of color and style between rooms of your home. Sometimes it can be quite jarring walking into a space and every room is a bit too different in style and color. You really need to maintain a home color palette and home style to create a very calm feeling. It really should be a smooth transition from one room to another. Everything really styles nicely together. It can be done through paint colors, rugs, accent pieces, pillows, and artwork. Adding in colors that can be found in one room into another will definitely give you a sense of calm. Now, in your bedrooms, you definitely need blackout curtains. Blackout curtains are going to give you that sense of luxury, that feeling of sleeping away in a hotel. They're going to give you a sense of calm by blocking out the light. It's always great to include a secondary window treatment with the blackout panels as well, so that you can create privacy but also still let light in. So you can incorporate a light filtering semi-sheer panel underneath or include Roman shades to create that extra layer. So having the versatility is definitely a must, but having the blackout curtains is what's really going to give you that calm feeling, especially in a bedroom. I wouldn't recommend blackout curtains anywhere else in your home. I think that's a bit too heavy and a bit too much. You really want to let in as much light as you can around your home, but bedrooms is all about functionality, and being able to close those blackout curtains will give you a really peaceful feeling in your bedrooms. Now, you definitely need designated landing spaces around your home for backpacks, shoes, keys, all of those busy everyday things that end up piling up around your home. If you have a landing space for all of these pieces, your home will feel a lot less cluttered and a lot more organized. I incorporated a full wall of peg hooks in our mudroom because I knew this would be a high traffic area where bags and jackets get left behind, and if you don't have a place for them like that, they will end up on the floor. So I always recommend a simple solution like peg hooks to really bring everything off the floor and up on your walls. It will open up your space instantly, make your space feel larger, and it really adds a ton of functionality. Now, if you're planning any cabinetry in your home, I highly recommend opting for deep drawers as opposed to deep cabinets, especially when you're talking about lower cabinetry. It will save you from bending down, crashing through all of your items. Deep drawers can be organized so much better than a deep cabinet. Deep cabinets end up being a very cluttered, stressful situation, and deep drawers give you a very calm feeling when you roll them open and you can see everything that's inside. So it just is that one little detail that can really add to a calm feeling. So if you're doing any cabinetry in your home, in bathrooms or kitchens, definitely opt for those deep drawers. It's going to create a sense of calm instantly. Now, when it comes to choosing materials around your home for furniture, decorating, or any hard surfaces, think about choosing natural materials as much as possible. Wood, ceramic, stone, linen, all of these natural materials really help you bring the outdoors in and give you this calm feeling, reducing any shine and high contrast, and really giving this natural look will create an instant calm feeling in your home. Now, something that's often forgotten is the importance of sight lines. When you look into a space, what do you see? Do you see clutter? Do you see toys? Do you see shoes sprawled? Or do you notice that a lot of that stuff is tucked away? Look down the hallways of your home, look down the door openings of your home. If the first thing you see is kind of messy, I would recommend moving that item or rearranging your space so that the sight lines are clear and look presentable. This will instantly improve the look of your home and make you feel calm as you walk through your space. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on ways that you can create that calming environment in your home. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!